Welcome to this video on understanding and applying NumPy in data mining. Today, we'll explore the foundational concepts of NumPy, a powerful library for numerical computations. Let's start by reviewing our outline. In this presentation, we'll discuss the characteristics of NumPy arrays, how to manipulate and analyze data using array functions, the application of mathematical and statistical operations, and finally, how to shape and reshape arrays effectively. These objectives will provide a strong understanding of NumPy's role in data mining and help you build confidence in its practical application. NumPy is an essential tool for managing large, multi-dimensional arrays. These arrays are ordered, indexed, and mutable containers, making them highly versatile. Key attributes like array, shape and array D-type allow you to easily access the structure and data type of an array. Next, we'll look at how to create arrays. With simple Python code, you can define one-dimensional arrays for lists of data or two-dimensional arrays for structured datasets. This makes organizing and processing data intuitive. Array functions are a game-changer for data manipulation. Using these, you can create arrays filled with zeros or ones, sort arrays by rows or columns, and much more. These capabilities make it easy to pre-process and clean your data efficiently. Shaping arrays is another critical skill. By reshaping a one-dimensional array into two dimensions or flattening a multi-dimensional array into one, you can prepare your data for various analytical needs. These transformations are handled seamlessly with methods like reshape and ravel. Mathematical operations are where NumPy truly shines. From performing element-wise addition to calculating aggregate statistics like maximum values and standard deviation, NumPy makes complex operations straightforward and efficient. These tools are invaluable for data analysis in both academic and professional settings. To wrap up, NumPy arrays are incredibly versatile for numerical computations. The library's rich set of functions allows for efficient manipulation and analysis of data, making it an indispensable tool for data scientists. Understanding the basics of array shapes and operations is foundational for leveraging its full potential. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on data science and technology. See you next time.